How to fix FiveM error or issues. The very first thing you want to do is to check the server status. When encountering FiveM crashing on launch issues, the first thing is to check if the FiveM server is down. Once the server is down, you can do nothing but wait for the developer to fix it. For the next step, what you want to try doing is update or reinstall graphics driver. In order to do so, right-click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters to show your graphics driver. Do a right-click on it and select Update Driver in the drop-down menu. Click on Source automatically for drivers and follow the on-screen instructions to update your graphic drivers automatically. Once it's done, now the next thing you want to try doing is disable unused audio devices. Another reason for FiveM crashing is that some audio devices are likely incompatible with the game. In this condition, you better disable all unused audio devices. In order to do so, go to Settings and then move into System. Inside System, head over to Sound and then click on Manage Sound Devices. Now you can see a list of sound devices and choose the one that you want to disable according to your needs. After disabling all the unwanted and unnecessary audio devices, launch FiveM again to see whether it crashes or not. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix FiveM crashing. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.